up, you guys? Today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. I'm going to be going on a little road trip to Sacramento, well, Elk Grove. I'm going to go to 1320. If you guys are from Sacramento, Concord, Pittsburgh, the surrounding areas, you guys will know where 1320 is. Today's more like a little mini vlog, my first little mini vlog, because I'm not going to do any DIY stuff. So it's about 40 minutes to get there, so I'm just gonna cut to us being there, okay? Because you guys do not want to, there's nothing cinematic about going there. There's just nothing but farms and hills, and that's it. There's nothing pretty. Alright, so let's see if they let me record when I get there, right? Alright guys, we finally made it at 1320. Hella far ass drive, but if you're a Honda owner, it's worth it. Ooh, my car looks sexy right there, you see? Pulling up. Joking. Alright guys, I'm gonna make sure I can record inside. If not, then you guys are just gonna wait till you see what I purchase. So yeah. Alright, let's go inside. Yeah, so guys, we're in 1320 right now, just looking at stuff. They have a lot of selections, so this is 1320 is in Elk Grove, by the way. It's like 20 minutes from Sacramento, I think, and like 40 minutes from Concord, from where I'm driving, so yeah. Oh my god, it's windy. This is what I purchased. I came all the way over here for some goddamn lights. Oh my god, it's so windy. Look how windy it is. Oh crap. Ah. Whoa, what happened? I pretty much came all the way out here for some of these lights for my truck. So yeah, that's 1320 for you guys. If you're in the Sacramento area, you're hella close. If you're where we're at, Concord, you're hella far. Alright, I tried to film some stuff in there. I don't know if the guy was happy that I was filming. Let's get out of here and yeah. Hopefully we don't get pulled over. Guys, since I left Sacramento, I was doing some errands, very busy, so now I'm pretty much gonna go to the house and install the dome lights that I bought. So yeah, I'm not gonna show you the way there because I'm just following this big ass truck right here. But yeah, that's time warp to the house. Alright guys, I'm gonna install these beautiful LED interior dome lights into this big beast. I cut filming earlier because it was a long ass drive. I stopped to get food and all this jibber jabber, this and that. Alright, this is gonna be a hard hop. It's very lifted, as you can tell. I'm gonna get a running start, see if I can do it with one hand. I can't do it with one hand. Damn it. Hold on, let me put the camera down. Alright you guys, let me hop into this bad boy. Holy crap. Yo boy needs some steps in this thing, cause yeah, it's a long way up, if you know what I mean. So sorry if the camera's not on my face. I don't know if you want to see my pretty face, but yeah, I'm gonna install these things there. Let me set the camera somewhat good. Let's see if I can get the camera to hold, because this is a little technical. There you go. Let me zoom in. Well, not zoom in, let me adjust this real quick. Stupid little stand. Alright. Alright. I hope you guys can see some of my face. If you guys can't, then oh well. Bam! That's what I purchased. I don't know if the camera is focusing on it. If not, I'm sorry. Is it focusing? No, probably ain't. This is what I got. Why isn't this focusing, bro? No? I guess there you go. Well, you guys get the idea. It's my interior dome lights, map light and dome light. You heard? So, not really a DIY, because if you don't know how to install these, then don't touch it. I'm just messing with y'all. Nah, but for real, all you gonna need is a flathead. At the flat tip. I don't know what the hell's wrong with this camera. But before my battery dies, because it's blinking, it's gonna die, I'm gonna go ahead and remove them and install these bad boys. Let's see the difference. Okay, look. Let me. Yeah, this is taking forever. Alright guys, this is how ugly they look. They fucking yellow and ugly, right? Alright guys, these lights are not hard to install at all. They're pretty much removing the cap, the front cap of this thing. It's pretty much this cap right here. I turn off the lights. So pretty much it goes like so. Wait, let me flip it over. So pretty much it goes in like this, and then it clips in like this. Oh, there you go. There's a demonstration of how it looks on, but let me turn it off because it's blinding the shit out of me. So pretty much you clip that in there. See if you can see that. There has tabs. One tab right there. One tab right there. Sorry if the camera's not focusing. But there's tabs on those like little nipple thingies. You insert the little nipples in there, and then clips right in like so. Super simple. On the back one, let me grab my phone so I can light it. Sorry if I'm being camera's all over the place. So pretty much you go like this and you install it. So once it's like this, these have not been installed yet. So what I'm trying to show y'all is it's easy to take off. Let's see if I can do it with one hand. Oh shit, let's see if I can light it. I want to make sure you guys can see how I take it off. I'm doing it with the flathead, but if you guys have like a trim tool remover bullshit, it works. So I'm gonna push straight in, flat straight in like this, and then twist it. I'm twisting it to the side, and as soon as you twist it, boom, it opens. Remember, well, don't remember, this little thing has a tab on this side, so it's gonna hang out like that. What you do when you install this back, after you do that, it's like a little door, it flips open. When you install back, you put this side in first, and then you do that. You saw how I did that? Pretty simple. If you don't know how to do it and you want me to show you, I will. Same thing with the front. You put your flathead in between this little groove. Like I said before, don't do it with this because you could fuck up your interior. But I don't want to do it right now because I already took it off. But you guys get the idea. You stick your flathead in there, you turn it, and it pops it out. Remember, this side pops out first, front to back. And right side pops out on this side, passenger side pops out. This hangs like this. When you install this side in first, and yeah, you guys get the idea. So let me finish installing this one because y'all see that I'm gonna install that one. I'll show you how bright it looks, how amazing it looks. All right, you guys, I'm at Teledark up in the car, as you can see. Well, we about to have light. Woo, I'm ready for this. Are y'all ready for this? Because I'm ready for this. Bam! Bam, now you can see everything. Now I can vlog if I wanted to, but like I said before, this is just a little me series. Like, it's not really a DIY. I'm pretty sure you guys know how to change out map lights and dome lights, but yeah! Look how beautiful they look. I love it. Hella bright. Look at the other side. You ain't losing nothing in here. Nothing. You ain't losing no pennies, no quarters, no dollars, no dimes. You good. Alright, give me 1 second. Noisy. Sorry. That's what I meant. That's what I meant. Sorry. Sorry. Okay, that's it. Sorry. My bad. I was fucking with my mic. It was about to fall. But yeah, guys. Hopefully you guys like this little, I guess, mini slash somewhat vlog. My first one. I want to show you guys a little bit more what I do during the day or how I go about my day. I know all I did is show you that I was driving, but something different, you know, like it's fun like showing you guys how to do certain things, reviewing certain stuff, but change it up a little, you know what I'm saying? Like going into the new year, I don't know, try something new. Hopefully you guys like it out there. Hopefully the subscribers I have enjoy it. You know, by the way, my name is Carlos. I never mentioned that before. I just always introduce my channel to people. But yeah, I owned a 2010 Lexus 250 and a 2013 Chevy Silverado. Both of them will be fucking with this year, that's for damn sure. But yeah, guys, if you guys like what you see, like the videos I have before this one, and enjoy them, and it's helpful for someone, even it's just something to just pass the time, man. You know what I'm saying? Or you have a boy and you want to act like you know it before you talk to him, like, bro, I know how to do this. Then fuck it, do it on his whip, whatever, guys. Please smash the subscribe button. Throw me a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions about anything, of any of my videos, even if it's on this one. So, someone just passed and look kind of creepy. I'm about to have a drive-by, yo. Oh, alright, guys. Well, peace out, guys, and I'll see you on the next one, right? Deuces, peace. Asimosa, I don't know what I'm saying. Y'all later.